I created my workshop because of my passion for music and musical instruments. I remember always having some kind of a relationship with music, one way or the other. I listened to fado with my grandfather, world music with my father, and metal with my uncle. Being part of a garage band during my late teens and collecting different musical instruments. I started my career as an architect and designer and had my studio for more than a decade. The way I see it, design explores the relationship between space and time, and music is very similar in that sense. I gravitated back to music, focusing on visual communication in the music industry and how music creates images inside our brains. My wife told me she felt that the key to my ultimate happiness had to do with music. After a while, I decided to study more about musical instrument construction and materials. I started with woodworking, then luthiery, and later on, guitar tech. Nowadays, I can't imagine doing anything else. I love bass guitars. Talking about them makes me smile. The brand name came from my grandfather's last name, Silvan. The origin of the word dates back to the Latin silva, meaning wood. We specialize in bass guitars. Our design approach reserves space to elaborate a dialogue with the wood as a material. Understanding the possibilities of each choice is important. The wood's inherent properties like workability, resistance, texture, and color, but also how it relates to other woods and the hardware. We're searching for harmony in every sense. Each string of decisions can have a different end result. Having a background on traditional luthiery allows us to better understand the musical instrument. Our bass guitar construction process is focused on quality, performance, and durability, with a spice of design innovation and a degree of construction prowess. The body, neck, and fingerboard are the three fundamental parts of the instrument. That's where we develop most of the ergonomic and aesthetic elements of the work. The hardware is mostly the mechanical aspect of the instrument with a functional role, but it can have some aesthetic impact, enhancing specific parts of the design. The electronics are very commonly considered secondary in the instrument construction. We believe they can have a critical role in shaping tone, adding to a player's technique, and giving space for creativity. As luthiers, we are uniquely positioned to offer customers with high performance and quality instruments. We give customers access to a variety of styles, better hardware, premium wood options, and specific customizations. Custom bass guitars include the customer in the design process. A customer may not know how to build his dream bass guitar, but he knows what he likes. And we start with that conversation. So naturally, conversation, analysis, drawing, refining, testing, and choosing are all part of our process. As a luthier, I have to refine specific aspects of the build, like weight, scale length, neck and body shape, and electronics, in order to accommodate every choice. The build has to be balanced to perform gracefully with quality and durability. Good work takes time. We study, develop, and apply specific strategies and designs to each instrument. Each client is unique, as is each piece of wood, and so is each project.